andyan yung ano, libingan nila. Tapos, dito yung church nila, guys. So, yan. Yan, guys. Ay, cemetery nila. And, the cemetery, and this one is their church. Can we go inside? Church of Apostles of Saint Peter and Saint Paul. I think we can. Ayan, guys. So, silip lang tayo, guys.
And this is
yan. Ayan, silip lang tayo. Let us see. We can say. We go door.
Iba ang
There. So, may washroom doon, no? So, mag-washroom. Roar. Orthodox yan.
Yeah, Orthodox Christian.
Okay. So, yan. And then now we're going to the village. Doon daw sa kabila. Lamig talaga, guys. Oh, tingnan mo sila. Sila TG. Yan. Local Royal Museum. Rural. So, buloy. So, we go down there. So, I think it's a restaurant.
This is tavern.
And what is this? What is this? Okay.
Traditional houses. Another tavern.
Oh, another like restaurant. So here is more on.
Bao ban.
Yeah, there's an ano there. Mamaya na pagbalik nga. So there. We walk there. So like more on here is like restaurant. What is this? Winery. Oh no, it's a winery.
Aeran πολύ.
After 5 p.m. What is inside? Ano yung nasa loob, te? Ay, yun na yan. O, parang ganchillo. Another coffee shop. Merry Christmas! Ate! Pwede ba pumasok doon? I guess. Let's go inside. I guess. So, here. It is nice, guys. Hi. Oh, it's like pottery. Listen, guys. It's nice. It's pottery. So, So, maglakad tayo hanggang sa dulo. Hanggang sa dulo ng mundo. Merong pa sa taas. Mamaya pwede tayong dahan. So, yun.
Tapos na kayo. Wala na dyan. Wala na. Tapos na. Tapos na. Ito na yung last.
And, so, akyat tayo sa taas, te. So, yun. Ito na daw yung last. The end of the village. But, meron pa dun sa taas. Pwede pa rin umakyat. And look, guys. Ang ganda, diba? Oh, may show dun, no?
Saan galing? Came from there.
Nice.
Taking picture.
So, we're going upstairs. There. Traditional na lutuan daw. Parang open. So, meron pa. Dito pa sa taas. So, ingakyat pa tayo doon. Ano yun? Ano yan? Pwede ba tayo pumasok dyan? Parang wala naman din. So, meron pa doon. Ayan na. So, dun.
Local. From here is very nice.
Oh, here. So, nice, guys. Yan, guys. Meron pa ata sa kabila.
Hindi ko naman nagamit yung isa kong set.
So, meron pa rin doon. Pababa naman siya. Ito, guys. Tapos, meron pa siya sa kabila. So, let's go. Ito din sa baba. Oh, shit. Na, maybe because dapat ulan ngayon, di ba? So, yun. So, let's go here, guys. Ikot-ikot. Saan kaya tayo patungo na ito? So, yan. So, saan ang lusot nito?
Ano ikot tayo nito?
I don't know.
Ha?
I don't know. So, the one it's too dark.
Oo, dami din mga ganyan, oh.
Their flag.
Ha?
Flag nila.
Club.
Baka.
May green.
There's a ghost.
μεταξούδα του Δήμουνα.
There's a ghost. Ito. Ayan. Yung cemetery nila.
Church.
So, balik ulit tayo dito sa my church. This one, guys, oh, sira na siya, abandon na siya. So, guys, look, there's a ghost. Ah! There's a ghost inside, guys. So, guys. So, it's very dark, guys. Katakot kapag walang ilaw dito. So, tapos na. Nag-picture na lang kami. Kasi back to ano kaya? Kasi hindi siya umulan. Kasi kung umulan, mahirap maglakad-lakad dito. Ayun guys, tapos na kami mag-ikot-ikot dito sa Christmas village. So, bye-bye! Advance happy holidays!
See you.
Thank you for watching! Bye-bye! So guys, we're going home na. Tapos na yung maliligayang araw namin ngayon at bukas magkuskus kubeta na naman kami para kumita ng euro. Hi. This is
the life. Kunyang.